Restore a network connection for the HP DeskJet 2800, 4200, and 4900 printer series. If your computer is unable to detect your HP DeskJet printer over a network connection, or a printer offline or unavailable message displays when you're trying to print, follow these steps to fix the issue. This printer series is only compatible with wireless printing on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. If your computer or mobile device is connected to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, you must switch to a 2.4 GHz network to connect to the printer. Before following the steps in this video, complete this checklist to rule out any potential issues that could cause a print error. Make sure that the printer is within 8 meters or 26 feet of your Wi-Fi router or range extender. Confirm that the printer power cable is plugged directly into a wall outlet. If the printer is connected with a USB cord, confirm that the cable is connected directly to your computer and not a hub or docking station. Also make sure that the USB cable is not longer than 3 meters or 9 feet 10 inches. Confirm that your computer or mobile device has had the latest software update and that the printer has had the latest firmware update. After completing each step, try to print from the printer again. If you encounter the same issue, proceed to the next step. Step 1. Restart your devices. Restarting your computer or mobile device and your printer can clear any error states that are preventing you from printing. Close all apps and programs and restart your PC. Turn off your printer and unplug the power cord from the printer and the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to the power source. HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. Reconnect the other end of the cord to the printer. Press the power button to turn the printer back on. On your computer, try to print the file again. Step 2. Reset the printer network settings. For wireless printing, removing and re-adding the printer to your Wi-Fi network can fix network-related printing issues. If you previously connected to your printer using a USB cable, disconnect it before proceeding. To restore network settings, press the Cancel button to wake the printer. Press and hold the wireless button and the Cancel button at the same time for 5 seconds until the power button starts blinking. Wait until the blue wireless button light blinks continuously. The printer is now in Wi-Fi setup mode and can now be discovered on a Wi-Fi network. The printer will remain in this mode for 2 hours. Step 3. Remove and re-add the printer in the HP Smart app. Removing and re-adding the printer in the HP Smart app can resolve connection-related error states. On the HP Smart app home screen, right-click the printer image and then click Hide Printer. Click Hide Printer again to confirm. If you are using the HP Smart app on a mobile device, then press and hold the printer image. Then tap Hide Printer, and then tap Hide Printer. Now that the printer has been removed, select either Add Printer on your computer or the plus icon on your mobile device to begin re-adding the printer. HP Smart searches for available printers. When you see your printer, select it and then select Continue. When prompted, select Continue to connect the printer to your wireless network. When prompted to confirm proximity, press the indicated button on the printer control panel to continue with the setup. Once the printer is connected to Wi-Fi, select Continue. Depending on your specific printer model, the next screens may vary. Follow the remaining prompts to reconnect your printer. When the process is complete, you are then brought back to the HP Smart home screen. If the printer displays as ready, it is connected to Wi-Fi and the issue is resolved. Step 4. Run Diagnose and Fix from the HP Smart app. This step only applies to printers connected to Windows and Mac computers. You can troubleshoot many printer issues with the built-in Diagnose and Fix tool in HP Smart. From the home screen, scroll to your DeskJet printer. Open Diagnose and Fix by selecting the wrench icon in the lower left for Windows computers. For Mac computers, select Printers in the top menu bar and then select Diagnose and Fix. Once the tool opens, select Start. Wait for Diagnose and Fix to complete. This might take a few minutes. Do not close HP Smart while the tool is running. If any issues are found, Diagnose and Fix provides you with instructions on how to resolve the issue.